Hello Apex entrepreneurs and welcome to this video. Now I bet you're wondering if this is a clickbait title. Well, actually no, it isn't. Because in this video we're going to show you a trick that if you can understand it and integrate it into your life, you will definitely become a millionaire in your 20s or early 30s. So keep watching till the end and take notes. Once you start to apply this trick into your life, everything will change. But first, let's begin by checking this simple equation. Your revenue is equal to the number of clients times by the average amount of money your clients pay you. Put simply, the more clients you have and the more you get paid by each client, the more money you make. Very easy. So if you're an employee, you only have one client, which is your boss, for which you are selling your time, and the amount of money this client is paying you is equal to your salary, and that's it. If we do some quick research, we can see that the median household salary in the USA is around $60,000. If you take away taxes and life expenses and put a lot of effort into saving the maximum amount possible, then you can maybe save $10,000 per year. Now, I know that some of you will tell me in the comments that saving $10,000 is impossible if you only earn $60,000. But I'm sure you'll be able to do it if you remove all unnecessary expenses, like your $500 Gucci t-shirts, for example. Tell me in the comments below if it's realistic for you to save $10,000 per year. But anyway, even if you saved $10,000 per year, it will take you decades to become a millionaire. Therefore, being an employee is definitely not gonna make you rich. Unless of course you have a degree from Stanford and you work as a manager in a Fortune 500 company. I know, it's harsh and I'm sorry for saying it, but the truth is you can never be a millionaire in your 20s by saving from your own salary. But let's dig deeper and take the example of an independent plumber. First, a plumber can have more than one client, and this is very good. So if within 1 month he had 60 clients and each one of them is paying on average $100, that's $6,000 per month, which is also good. But if you've also done your calculations, you'll know that it's gonna take a lot of time for the plumber to become a millionaire. So the problem that both the employee and the freelancer have is that the number of their clients is limited, and this is because they only have 24 hours a day. An employee can work for a maximum of 1 or 2 employers, and a freelancer can work for only a limited amount of clients. So, how do you become a millionaire? What is the secret? Well, the secret is, in order to become a millionaire, you should go and live on Venus, where 1 day is equal to 5,832 hours. And in this way, you'll be able to work for 10 times as many clients in the same day. Well, of course, I'm kidding, right? Because you can't actually do this, and living on Venus is a little bit complicated. So let's move to a more realistic option. The secret to become a millionaire is scalability. Once you understand what scalability is and you apply it in your life, you'll be able to achieve wealth. Before creating any business, you have to ask yourself, is it easily scalable or not? Can I easily sell the product or the service to a lot of people? Can I sell high-end services or products to a portion of my customers? Let's have a look at this example. If you run an e-commerce shop and you sell dog accessories, there are millions of people around the world that own dogs and might be interested in your products. And once someone has bought one product from you, you can then send multiple marketing emails to them, where you tell them about your other dog-related products in order to increase the amount of money paid by this one client. And this is what we call the lifetime value of a client. It is equal to the total amount of money you make out of one client. So, having an e-commerce store with worldwide shipping is a scalable business. You can increase the number of clients and the amount of money a client is paying you. Another example of a scalable business is the software as a service business, or SaaS. This is a software with a monthly based subscription. To use this software, you might pay, for example, $50 or $100 a month. In this type of business, you can have a very large number of clients, And since the clients are paying you on a monthly basis, you have a recurrent revenue each month. Let's take the example of ClickFunnels, which was founded in 2014 by Russell Brunson. This software is a sales funnel building software that helps entrepreneurs to easily build their business online. You can find a link in the description to know more about how to use it in your business. ClickFunnels has two pricing options, one at $97 a month and another at $297 a month. It has more than 70,000 active users. So if we assume that 2/3 of the users are at $97 a month and the rest are at $297 a month, and we do a quick calculation, we can see that the total annual revenue is more than $100 million. Now that's pretty cool, isn't it? Next, let's take the example of a YouTuber. If you like creating content and sharing it with others, you can create a YouTube channel. And if you create quality content, you'll definitely have tens of thousands of subscribers. And then you can monetize this channel in plenty of ways. Let's take the example of one of the most successful YouTubers on earth, Graham Stephan. Graham has more than 1.5 million subscribers. He publishes more than 3 videos per week and talks about a lot of subjects, such as finance, credit cards, and real estate. So, since he has a lot of views, the first source of income is YouTube ad revenue. YouTube puts some ads on his videos and he earns money every time someone watches an ad. If we look into his video description, we can spot his online courses and some affiliate links. Graham reports in one of his videos that he makes more than $100,000 per month from his YouTube ad revenue alone, and more than $20,000 per month from the sales of his online courses. You heard that right, per month, not year. And this is definitely because his business is scalable. He touches millions of people every day. Another example of a scalable business is to create an agency that helps entrepreneurs and small and medium-sized businesses to grow using social media. There's a lot of demand right now on reliable agencies that can help companies boost their business. For example, a lot of companies struggle to create profitable Facebook ads campaigns. So if you can master Facebook ads, you can then offer your services to the businesses around you and start serving them. Then you can use Facebook ads for yourself to get more clients, and then you can hire more consultants to be able to serve more clients, and so on. But if you don't master Facebook ads, don't panic. You can still learn them if you're motivated. All you have to do first is hit that like button and subscribe to this channel. And then go to the description of this video, where you can find a link for a 4-hour Facebook ads quality course we highly recommend. Now, let's get back to our topic. So remember, if you're an employee, you cannot scale your revenue. But if you're a plumber, our advice is don't exchange your time for money. Don't do the work by yourself. What you need to do is create a team of 5 or 10 or maybe 20 plumbers. Hire a marketing consultant and a salesperson. This will help you to build a system that will bring you clients consistently. The marketing consultant will create and manage your ads. Clients will call in and the salesperson will convert them and give the tasks to your team. Easy. And once you're sure the system is working perfectly, start creating a team in another city or in another country to increase the number of clients. Scalability is very important. Do not fall into the trap of exchanging your time for money. Building a team takes time, and you might spend a couple of months without making any money at all. But once your system is working well, making millions will be as easy as hitting this like button. At the end of this video, we invite you to visit the description below, where you'll find many resources to help you make money from the comfort of your own couch. You'll find the books that we recommend to help you acquire the right mindset for success. A free video course that will teach you how to generate passive income and how to create a 6-figure online business, and much more. Of course, all the methods we teach or recommend are not get-rich-quick methods. There is a lot of work to be done up front before enjoying the money falling into your bank account. So don't hesitate to take a quick look at our description and enjoy learning. That's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to share it with your friends and smash that like button to help us with the YouTube algorithm. By the way, if you're still here while the music is running, here are 2 videos that you'll love watching. Just click on either one of them on the screen right here.